One morning I spied a young sparrowhawk sitting in my birch tree. We stared at each other for quite a while. Then he wasn't looking at me. I think he was waiting for the neighbor's cat, but she stayed inside, so take that. Then Mr. Blue Jay was eating some seeds, looking around at the bumblebees, buzzing away, busy all day. And the flowers grew, and the vegetables too. We couldn't survive without this crew. And the blackbird stood there. He was aware as the bunny just hopped past, and the common grackle just laughed. The red cardinal in a tree relaxed, flew down to the fence, turned his back, and he left. The green hummingbird just kept on drinking, always wary of what they were thinking. What were they thinking? The American goldfinch and chickadees stayed by the feeder and water to bathe, seemed all wanted a dip, splashing around in good faith. Then they found a warm place to rest and dry off. It's good fun to sit back when they've had enough. And the mourning dove turned his back on the lot. The crows and the starlings laughed at the thought. The goldfinch was waiting for the sunflower seeds, but wouldn't you know it, the squirrel showed his greed. I went for a walk to the pond, and the starlings and grackles were there. The red-winged blackbirds hung off the cattails, and Mother Goose was aware. She rounded her flock to the side of the pond. One by one they swam on, and in a few weeks summer waned on, and they started to fly to their winter home, and we waved goodbye, and they were gone.